welcome back to my channel. As you saw by the title, we're gonna go over a quick little workout that I'm doing to help me gain weight. This past week, I did a body mass index test just to see like where I'm at, where my weight is and all that. And basically, I'm super underweight and very unhealthy, even though I physically look like I'm in shape or whatever. Need to gain at least 10 to 15 pounds is what the test said. So I've been turning around my life. I'm gonna start gaining weight. I've been starting working out with weights, and I do like some Pilates, and I wanna get back into tennis. And then I'm gonna show you guys what I've been eating to also gain weight. If you didn't know, I ran collegiate track at Ohio State, and I was a sprinter there, and I used to work out 2 to 3 times a day, heavy weights, running all the time. And I used to be at the weight that I'm supposed to be at now, but that was intense training all the time. So it'll be interesting to see how I turned that around for my life now and what makes sense for me. Obviously, I can't dedicate my whole life to working out, but I'm just gonna take you guys along this journey. Obviously, I'm in my gym and I've already done over half my workout, but then I decided to vlog. So it's like, I'll just show you guys what I'm doing. And then on the screen, I'll put on all the numbers of how many reps and the exercise that I'm doing. And then I'm gonna go home and cook dinner. I have salmon, a bunch of roasted vegetables that I wanna make. So I'll show you guys what I eat for dinner. And then we're just go along in this journey of weight gain and just getting myself healthy. So let's just get back into my workout so I can finish out. That's done. Time to go eat. Look how pretty LA is. I could stare at this view all day. Or night, I guess.